Boaters Net would like to offer a 1985 26-foot Wellcraft Model Nova II Power boat for sale. The boat currently resides in Sanatoga, Pennsylvania, and the asking price is $21,000. This boat is a cuddy cabin model, has a GPS, ship-to-shore radio, and AM/FM radio. The owner states the two 350-horsepower Mercruiser motors makes this boat ideal for water skiing or just cruising. This boat has been completely refurbished with all new parts, upholstery, GPS, ship-to-shore radio, and AM/FM radio and speakers. Too many things to list. Trailer also has new rollers, tires, and wheel jack. All work has been done at Bob K. Marine in Spring City, Pennsylvania. If you'd like more information or to place an offer on the boat, visit boatersnet.net.